So today's video, I'm going to tell you why did I return the G7X Mark Ii for the G7X Mark II, as well as how did I return it after the return exchange period. I'm going to be doing a full unboxing of my new Mark II, as well as showing you all my accessories, and we're going to be comparing this phone camera, the iPhone 11, to my new Mark II. So let's get straight into it. Hello beautiful souls, my name is Candace and welcome to my channel where everything's perfect. Throw up them hearts, including you. Hello beautiful souls, how's everyone doing? I hope everyone is having an absolutely amazing day. And so first thing I wanted to get into, why did I return this G7X Mark III right here? This is an empty box, by the way. Because of the autofocus issue. And you guys, this is my first time getting a real deal Holyfield camera, my first time purchasing a camera. And I knew that it had this autofocus problem because I did tons of research on this camera and people said that you could fix it. But because I am not technology savvy, I could not learn how to fix it. And I've seen tons of videos that look absolutely amazing on the G7X Mark III. But my personal opinion is if you've never owned a camera, and this is your first time purchasing a camera, and you are not like technology savvy, like understanding all the stuff that goes into working a camera, I say stay away from the Mark III. My personal opinion, because I had it for almost 3 months and I had to return it. So now it's time to get into the part of how did I return my G7X Mark III after the return exchange period. Because I could not fix the autofocus and I purchased the insurance, the 4-year insurance, which I suggest everyone purchase it. It was only $100 and something for the insurance. And when I went in there, I just wanted them to fix the camera. I wanted them to figure it out. I was over it. I had it for 3 months. I could not figure it out. I wanted to record on my new camera. And they said, okay, we're going to take it to the back. They took it to the back. They looked at it. They said, okay, we see it's blurry, that we're going to order you a new camera. Or do you see another camera that you would like? And I did not know that that was an option for me. And I don't know if it's just the Best Buy that I went to that offered that for me, or if all Best Buys do that, but that was the offer that was given to me. And I really did want to purchase the Mark III again because I thought maybe it was just that Mark III, it didn't get the update or whatever, or they didn't fix the autofocus in it. But a part of me was like, Candace, you do not understand this stuff. Get something more simple. So I just decided to just get the Mark II, and they replaced it for me. Let me show you. So here it is. They gave me a Best Buy store credit of $133, and I was able to exchange it for the Mark II and the insurance for the Mark II. It's only $120 for the Mark II insurance. It was $125 for the Mark III. So they just gave me the credit for the insurance and the camera because this camera is cheaper. So I don't know if every Best Buy does this. If you have insurance that you're able to exchange it and get the same camera or a new different camera, that was the option they gave me. I do stay in the Chicagoland area. So that was such a blessing because I was able to get the camera that I wanted. So moral of the story, get insurance. Get insurance. It's so worth it. I have it for 4 years and they have a 2-year option that is, I want to say it was like $60 or $70 for the 2-year. Get the insurance. It's worth it. If you drop it or if you break it or anything that's wrong with it, you could take it in to get it fixed for the 2 years or the 4 years. So I definitely recommend everyone getting the insurance because the insurance saved my life. It saved my life. So let's get straight into this unboxing. So let's open this. Okay. The camera. Then we have the little wristlet. And then we have the battery and the battery charger. And basically everything's the same as like what was in the other box. So let me charge this camera up so I can get some juice, and let me show you all my accessories while I charge. So the first thing I got is an extra battery. You definitely want to back up because I heard that sometimes it goes dead. So I need that backup. And then I have me this handheld like tripod thing. I got all this on Amazon. And you just screw that in right there. So like if I'm ever out and I want to record, I could just have this. I could sit it up like that. You push it down. And I got 2 SD cards. These are the SanDisk Extreme Pro, 128 gigabytes. And they say definitely get 2 just in case one fail you or you lose one, that you will have a backup. Don't like get like one big one that's 256 gigabytes. Get 2 that's 128 gigabytes just in case you need another one, that you got it. You got that. Yes, this is the next one. I love this because I'm gonna be out in them streets, you know, with my camera. And so I can just put it around my neck, and so it has this like little protecting like case thing, and you could just take this off and it just hangs there, and it could flip, it could do all types of stuff right here. So this is amazing. Or if I'm like hiking or camping or anything at the beach, anywhere. I don't even have to hold it on my little tripod thing. I just got this. So next I have this bag. It's super cute. It wraps around you. Like you could cross it across your body and everything, and it has this pouch in the front and a pouch in the back, and then it has a little pouch inside of here, and this is where I keep my little card because I don't want to lose my little Best Buy card. And it has 2 pouches right here, and this is really cute. I could just put everything in one place, and it's still more room for more. Thank you for my new camera. So let's put the battery in now. At the bottom, it's same just like the Mark III. You pop it open right there, and you put the battery in right here. And then I put the memory card in right there. So let's cut it on. Okay, and oh, I gotta set it. So let me set it, and then all the settings, and I'll be right back. So I did the swooparoo, and I have the camera in my hand, like my phone, and I have the other camera right here. So let me turn it on. So there you go, it's recording. And so I upgraded on them, I guess. So what y'all think? Is it blurry? How does it look? We're gonna see once everything's uploaded how everything turned out. But it's nothing wrong, they say, with the autofocus with the G7X Mark II. Because 3 is garbage. And what did we learn from me? What did we learn, ladies and gentlemen? Get the insurance. Get the insurance, because without the insurance, I wouldn't be here. And I am forever grateful. Yes! I'm in there. And you guys, you see, with this tripod, I could take the thing off my other tripod, this one right here, and I could put it on here. So, yeah, I put my phone thing on my camera thing. Because I'm innovative. Okay, so that's the tester. Oh yeah, let me zoom in. I forgot to zoom in. So we're gonna zoom in. That's that. And so let's zoom out. Okay. And so I'm just gonna finish this on my camera right here, my new camera. So let me turn off my phone. Yes, bye phone. And so that, you guys, was all the goodies, all of it. So I showed you guys the unboxing. I told you why I returned it, autofocus, the accessories, the comparison. So if you like this video all about my new Canon G7X Mark Ii, hey, I'm moving around to see if it can keep hold of me. Let's see if I could put like something in there to autofocus on. Okay. Okay. So yes, if you like this video all about my new G7X Mark II, then hit that thumbs up button right now. Right now. Because I'm going to be coming through with all the business, health, and fitness. Talking about that internal beauty exuding outwardly. Because there's nothing about that internal beauty shining through for me. So subscribe. Because guess what? I'm going to keep them videos coming. Because I got a new camera. And I'm litty. Yes. And always remember that you are perfect. Yes, you're perfect. You're absolutely perfect. You are perfectly human. Yes, shout out to all my perfect gang. Throw up them hearts. Gang. Perfect gang and no gang. Let's connect. Yes, shout out to all my perfect gang. I answer all of my questions below. All of them. So ask me anything. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. I'm Liddy. Now let's turn off this camera.